Today we'll be talking about Volkswagen Tiguan. I think that's what it's called, and I'm going to show you where the fuse box locations are in. So the OBD port is right on the steering wheel, right in here. That's OBD port if you need to plug it in. So the first fuse box is under the steering wheel. You just need to pull on this. It's inside here. To open this, you press this out, and then same thing on this side, and that comes out, and there's your fuses right in here. To close it back up, you just push it in, just like that, and there you go. And the second fuse box is under the hood. So what you want to do is open the hood. To open the hood, there's a latch here. Press on it, and that opens up. To hold the latch, the hood is right here. It usually falls down to here. So the second fuse box is under here. You just do move this over here and this here. There you go. That's your second fuse box location. To close it, just line it up. And just lock it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And I found only 2 fuse box locations for this car. So if you know any other locations, please comment below for the fuse box, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.